morning, good afternoon, or good evening, and welcome to a new edition of AIl4Pack Talk Show. My name is Lilian Benzi, WPO Press and Communication Officer, and today I will interview Chantal Delamotte, Director of the AIl4Pack Emballage Show. There is a lot of expectations about AIl4Pack 2024 edition that will take place in Paris from November 4 to 7. And now I invite Chantal to say hi to us, and then we will start our great interview. Hi, Chantal. Thank you very much for being here with us today.
Hello, I'm very pleased to be here with you today and to speak about AIl4Pack Innovation Paris, which is a great show that takes place in less than 1 month.
Yes, we know that. And we are very anxious about AIl4Pack. We know that AIl4Pack is known for showcasing the latest innovation in packaging. So what cutting-edge technologies and materials will be presented this year? And how do you think this innovation can impact in the future of the packaging industry?
So there is new materials, and there is a lot of work on existing materials. We know all the problem of the recyclability on all the planet very well by the consumer, but not the major part of the products. Sure that the major part is the products before the packaging, but the packaging is sold, so it's very important. And we observed in our innovation, new materials that comes as the transformation of the leaf, for example. So we have discovered some new products, and we are very, very proud of that.
Oh, that's really great to hear. And we also know, as you mentioned, that sustainability is a major theme, a major subject in the packaging today. So how AIl4Pack will address this challenge? And how do you think that the companies that will exhibit can present more eco-friendly solutions? Do you think we are going to see this kind of solutions in AIl4Pack?
Yes, I think there is a lot of work that is done by all the people of the packaging in working on finding new solutions to continue to the development of the international trade, but also to work on sustainability. So it's very important to on the new basis of the reflection. And we saw all the new works of the companies that take the opportunity to display all the range of products on the show.
Yeah, and Chantal, we also know that there is a booming globally of e-commerce. Do you think AIl4Pack exhibitors will also present specific innovation in e-commerce packaging?
Sure, because we find the presentation of various new solutions for example, in cartoon, in order to work and to reuse all the package. So this innovation is adapted to, it depends of the products that use the packaging, but the e-commerce can be e-commerce for food, but it's different if we work from beauty and hygiene or other consumer goods or luxury. So the innovation are various, but it depends of the field of the application.
And
for example, if I work on beverage and liquids, it's not the same. I'm not looking for the same solution as for luxury.
Exactly. So you mentioned this luxury area. Do we have any specific area for luxury packaging in AIl4Pack?
No, we have not a specific space, because we are more the four bases of the show is the process, the machines, the transport, and the printing. But after, we have the possibility for the visitors to have information on the category, and we have a luxury possibility of visit. Look, it's a visit guide on a specific point.
Wow, that's a very good thing to have. And when we talk about innovation, we always drive it to a technical standpoint. But we know that there is a very important part of design and consumer experience. Do you think that exhibitors will present something in this area about design and consumer experience?
Worked on that. That's true that it's very different from one company to another, and the technology, the packaging technology depends of the application. That's sure that through all the basis of our innovation awards, we saw all these different categories, and to saw them and to understand. So sometimes it's applied on the consumer. So I have a lot of reflection, but also there is cross thinking through various industries to find a solution.
Okay, and Chantal, I would like to thank you in the name of WPO for having this partnership. And what is the importance of having WPO participating in this edition of AIl4Pack?
I think it's very important because the reflection is worldwide. Very often we saw the law are various from one country to another, or one continent to another, but all the people are working on amelioration or improving of this evolution of the packaging. And I think all the information can bring us, the World Packaging Organization is a very good strength to this economic sector about packaging. And I think for all the industrial, it's very important that we have your information, all what you can bring to us.
Okay, and Chantal, besides the exhibition itself, are you planning some other events that go together with the show? For example, seminar, workshops, this kind of thing. What attractions besides the floor, the show floor, are you planning?
Yes, so I think one thing that is very important for AIl4Pack in Emballage Paris is all the events that is done around on our conference. We have a very important conference place in the show, and we have many conference that is based on some various materials as wood, cartoon, glass, and so on, but also all the problematics of the packaging today, that is the reuse, the refill, and all this kind of questions. And we have we help people to explain their strength on these various markets, and the possibility. The other big spot of the show is also on circularity, where we have a workshop that is for all the companies that have a solution to ameliorate the circularity of the products. That is also on the show, and it's open to everyone, so it's important. And the third spot is all the presentation of the innovation market that we met during the last 6 months.
Okay, and Chantal, sometimes okay, sometimes people are not used to visit great shows. They get a little bit lost, especially in a trade show with so many attractions and exhibitors as AIl4Pack. So can you give any advice to the companies and to the professionals to optimize their visit to the show?
Yes, I think the first thing, it's the same for every big show, is to just to study the offer and to see the list of company that takes they wanted to display products on the show. We are expecting around 1,000 companies, and as you say, it's quite complicated. So it's very important for the visitors to study what they are looking for. If they are looking for logistic questions or printing questions, or if they want to study new packaging, or they want to buy a new machine. So it's very important after to study our website, in which you see all the companies that are take inscription, and to prepare their visit. They also can explain on taking their badges, they can explain what they are looking for, and we inform the exhibitors in order they can have some appointment and to answer their question.
Okay. And Chantal, we are coming to an end in our talk show, and I would like to invite you to leave a final message to the audience.
So I think the offer of AIl4Pack is very important, and everyone is normally very satisfied. So it's important to meet the solution the market offer to the visitors today, and to also understand all the European problematics that it's important to understand, because it's one of the biggest market nowadays on the economic use of the packaging. Okay. And I think Paris gives a good photography of the question nowadays.
Yeah, and it's always nice to be in Paris, right, Chantal? So you are the center of the fashion innovation. It's amazing. So Chantal, thank you very much for your presence here today. And after listening to you, there is no doubt that the 2024 edition of AIl4Pack will be an amazing opportunity to visitors to get in touch with eco-responsible packaging solutions and innovation in circular economy packaging. And innovation can turn business more competitive through innovative products and technologies. For WPO, it's really important to be part of this special show, and we definitely encourage the global packaging community to visit and to participate in all the activities as much as possible. And we also incentive you to have in mind that trade shows like AIl4Pack are also the voice for packaging. And packaging is not a problem, it is an important part of the solution, especially for challenges related to safe food, food safety, and circular economy. So Chantal, thank you very much for your participation. I wish you all the best for your great show.
Thank you, and I hope to see you soon in Paris.
I would love it. And I hope to see all of you in AIl4Pack 2024 in Paris, and also in another edition of World Pack Talk Show. Thank you very much for your audience today.